Support and resistance, often known as SNR, is an important concept that traders use in their day-to-day job since it helps them locate more precise points of entry into the market and reduces the dangers they face. What exactly does it mean to support? It is a level or a zone that acts as a form of barrier or obstruction against the price's general tendency of going lower. Therefore, resistance refers to the level or zone that functions as an impediment to the increase in price. Hello and welcome to your very own channel. Today we are going to talk about the support and resistance indicators for MT4 and MT5. Stay with us until the end of the video to learn more. I have also attached some answers to the questions. So watch the complete video to get all your questions answered. Like and subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell button to get notified of all the latest updates. Let's jump to the topic. This video will demonstrate a straightforward and efficient approach to locating support and resistance levels or zones by making use of a cost-free indicator that is compatible with the widely used MetaTrader for trading platform. Indicator Review. The SNR indicator will automatically locate the support and resistance levels, or zones, that are most relevant to the current volume of loaded traffic. Pros. The indicator works on all time frames. It is advisable to choose at least M15. The indicator works on all markets. Doesn't redraw. Flexible settings. Cons. There is no guarantee that the levels will work the way you expect them to. The indicator does not issue warnings/alerts. How does the indicator work? The fractal indicator that is already present in the MT4 platform serves as the foundation for the operation of the indicator. Bill Williams identified the fractal as a local extremum in his description of it. The support and resistance indicator will automatically locate the levels or zones that contain a number of recently formed fractals. It is an indication that the level or zone acts as support or resistance in the market. The indicator shows the found levels by color. Blue, support levels. Orange, resistance levels. Support and resistance best strategies. Based on the support and resistance levels, there are three fundamental trading strategies, which are as follows. 1. The reversal. 2. The breakout. 3. The breakout test. The reversal. When a trader needs to sell near levels of resistance and sell near levels of support, this is the most obvious strategy to use. This strategy presents a risk in that it will result in losses during periods of pronounced movement. Therefore, you should probably avoid using it during the time when important news is being disseminated. The breakout. If you follow this strategy, you will sell the asset as soon as its price breaks through the support level, and then you will buy the asset as soon as its price breaks through the resistance level. It makes sense to implement this strategy at the beginning of active market sessions, both in Europe and the United States, whenever significant news is anticipated, and whenever prices have remained within a constrained range for an extended period of time. The breakout test. This approach makes use of the mirror level principle, which states that after a breakout, the level of resistance acts as support, while the level that was previously supporting acts as resistance. Which of the three strategies should be used? This question cannot be answered with a yes or a no because the strategies that were discussed cannot all be correct or all be incorrect. Each one of them will give both profitable and false signals. Demo accounts are available for you to test out all of them and determine which one works best for you. First and foremost, you need to put a stop to the mounting losses and assess the opportunities for expanding profits. Support and resistance settings. Support and resistance indicator has simple and flexible settings. Level width, from 1 to 10. 1. The indicator will show narrow levels. 20. Wide zones. Frequency, this setting determines how tightly the levels are placed. More tightly. Less, the most significant levels are shown. Sensitivity, how quickly can the level be considered broken. High, in order for the level to be considered broken, a minimum number of fractals need to appear after it. Low, lower sensitivity of the indicator for the level breakout. Display period, this setting determined the number of candlesticks on the history that is analyzed. Touches to show, minimum required number of fractals for building a level. Show touches count, displaying the number of fractals in the left part of the level, true/false. Show touches on click, whether to show the fractals when clicking on their number, true/false. Projection length, how far into the future should the levels be shown? Should I use support and resistance indicator? The support and resistance level/zone indicator is going to be helpful for everyone, regardless of their level of expertise. For the beginners, those individuals who are not familiar with the process of constructing SNR levels on their own can receive helpful assistance from the indicator. For experienced traders, it helps you save time and gives you the ability to build strategies by combining. How to set up support and resistance indicator in MT4. The indicator should be installed in the typical manner. The following is an in-depth tutorial for users of Microsoft Windows. 1. Launch your MetaTrader. 2. Open the folder with the platform data using the Files/Data folder menu. 3. In the folder, open MQL4/Indicators folder. 4. Insert support and resistance. X4 file from the downloaded archive. 5. Restart your MT4 platform or refresh the navigator window. That's it. All is set. You can now open any chart on the MetaTrader 4 platform and add SNR indicator to it through the menu Insert/Indicators/Custom/Support Resistance. I know some questions are still popping in your minds, so I have answered some general questions, which I am attaching next. Is there a version for the MT5 platform? The developer in question does not provide a version of their software that is compatible with the MT5 platform. Nevertheless, you can look for alternatives on the MQL5 website. Where should I set stop loss and take profit? For instance, the stop loss order should be placed outside the zone when trade bounces, and the take profit order should be placed in the region of the opposite zone. It is not a must-follow regulation. When doing the calculation for the levels of safety orders, you have the option of using the ATR indicator. Is this indicator enough to trade Forex? Totally. It is possible to employ the support and resistance indicator as a standalone technical analysis tool. It also functions very well as a filter for the signals that are generated by other indicators. Experiment with it and see what happens. I don't like the levels the indicator builds. What should I do? The indication is based on an algorithm that is pre-installed and cannot be altered in any way. If adjusting the settings does not produce the result you want, you might try building the levels manually instead. It will be more challenging, but in the end, you will most certainly enjoy them. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to get more informational videos. Thanks for watching.